The zebra, wild, alert, and built for survival. Found mostly in eastern and southern Africa, zebras roam the open plains and savannas in massive herds. Every year, they migrate hundreds of miles across dangerous terrain in search of fresh grass and water. They eat tough, dry grasses that many animals avoid, making them key to the ecosystem. Those stripes, they're not just for show. They confuse predators and help zebras recognize each other. When threatened, the herd moves as one, a blur of black and white that makes it hard for lions to single out a target. Zebras are more than just beautiful. They're strong, social, and always ready to run.